Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for online business owners and site builders. It's called Hostzy. If you're tired of paying high monthly fees for hosting, dealing with slow speeds, or just want a better solution to host multiple sites without breaking the bank, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Now, let's talk about the problem first. Most hosting companies charge you monthly or yearly fees that add up fast. Many of them limit the number of websites you can host, throttle performance, or make you jump through hoops just to migrate your sites. You've probably experienced slow loading times, complicated dashboards, or annoying extra fees for bandwidth or security. These problems can hurt your SEO, reduce conversions, and make scaling your business harder than it should be. Enter Hostzy, a hosting platform that promises unlimited websites, unlimited bandwidth, no recurring monthly payments, and a one-time fee for access. That's right, one payment and you get access to powerful hosting that runs on cPanel, which most of us are already familiar with. They also include features like free SSL encryption, automated backups, DDoS protection, and simple WordPress installation out of the box. That's a lot of value for a single payment. So what exactly do you get with Hostzy? First, you get the ability to host unlimited domains and websites. So whether you're running blogs, funnels, e-commerce stores, affiliate sites, or client sites, this platform lets you host them all in one place without monthly fees. It also has unlimited bandwidth, which is great because traffic spikes won't cost you extra or slow down your sites. That alone can save you thousands every year. Let's dive a bit deeper. The platform uses cloud-based high-speed servers that are designed to keep your websites loading fast. Fast load times are essential not just for user experience but also for search engine rankings. Combine that with automated daily backups and advanced DDoS protection, and you have a pretty robust hosting environment, even for beginners. Now I want to walk you through how easy it is to get started. With Hostzy, the process is simple. You log in, enter your domain details, set up your hosting, and then publish your site. No tech skills required. Seriously, if you've ever installed WordPress before, you'll feel right at home here. They even offer a one-click WordPress installer that makes setup a breeze. The pricing is another big highlight. During the current launch, Hostzy is being offered for a one-time fee, which is a huge departure from the monthly models used by HostGator, Bluehost, SiteGround, and others. This makes it especially appealing if you're bootstrapping a business or want to reduce long-term expenses. And keep in mind there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's less risk if you want to test it out first. Now let's talk about who this is for. If you're a blog owner, affiliate marketer, e-commerce seller, or digital agency running multiple client sites, Hostzy gives you a consolidated hosting option that can save you money and hassle. You don't have to juggle multiple accounts or worry about upgrade fees. And for beginners who are tech-phobic, the straightforward onboarding and video tutorials make Hostzy accessible even if you've never hosted a site before. Of course, nothing is perfect. Some users might prefer more advanced hosting features like staging environments or advanced caching tools offered by premium managed hosts. But for the price and flexibility you get here, it's hard to beat. The value proposition really shines if you're focused on growth without recurring costs. Overall, Hostzy stands out because it combines unlimited hosting, strong performance, security features, and a one-time price into one package. If you want to seriously cut your hosting costs and consolidate all your websites under one roof with solid performance, this is worth your attention. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss future content. And if you're ready to try Hostzy for yourself, check the link in the description below and grab the offer while it's still available. Thanks for watching. Go check it out now.